Hey, what's going on, Redliners? It's your boy Redlines The Limit here, and today we finally got another modification for the 3-valve. It's been a minute, and it's so good to be back again for like what, the 12th time in a row. But sorry for the non-consistent uploads. Really trying to get consistent. Got back to next semester at the university. We're a second year now, but we have a grill that was supposed to be here about 2 days ago, and this video actually would have gone up today or yesterday, but as usual, FedEx has to screw me and everybody else that orders from them because FedEx sucks. So we're gonna get this little cold start real quick. For y'all that don't know already, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you please hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you know when I upload any videos or shorts. The exhaust setup is Pypes long tube headers, connected into a Catalyst X pipe with Pypes muffler delete. I had to take the tips off though because they were rattling against the bumper, but we are going to be getting black quad tips, and I was even thinking about putting on a black cowl hood as well. Carbon fiber black cowl hood, and maybe getting a carbon fiber steering wheel, but I'm kind of getting tired of messing with the electrics because my car has had electrical issues a lot. But let's get this cold start and hopefully we don't set off any alarms. Guess not. Alright, so the grill that we got here, it's like the Roush 9-bar grill, but it's the modern bullet grill. It's pretty much the exact same as a 9-bar, or at least looks the same to me. But either way, I think it's still gonna look great with the headlight setup that we have. And I just don't like the stock fog lights that come with the 05 to 09 Mustang, but that's what's just so great about the 05 to 09 Mustang. There's so many things that you can do to it to make it really, you know, your own style. And it's kind of one of the main reasons I bought it. I just kind of had a vision to see, and I thought I could do something different, especially with the rare Legend lime color. It is pretty rare. I think there's only like 77 actually in this color, but which is why I'm going to keep it green instead of wrapping it. Maybe later on I'll wrap it, probably, but for now I'll be keeping it green. So that's what it looks like. It's like the Roush 9-bar almost, not really, but it's still, I think it's a great substitute for the Roush, for the Roush 9-bar, and it's gonna look really great on the stock grill. All right, now that the front bumper's off, we just gotta take out these tabs connected to the stock grill, which are gonna be a pain in the ass to take out. I heard that it's very difficult to get these out, but we're gonna get these out and then we can finally start putting on the new grill. Let me show you with it actually all taking out everything. This is technically the Roush 9-bar grill, pretty much, but apparently that's not what it's called on the web on American Muscle. But if you want the Roush 9-bar grill, apparently it's discontinued, but this is the next best thing. Also ignore how messy this is, by the way, but this is the next best thing, trust me. Okay, so basically just use a small little flathead to pick out the tabs. It's actually kind of a pain in the ass, but got the front stock grill out. Now we better get started on the new grill. Just gotta get some of the hardware in, a bunch of the bolts that came with it, which I forgot where I put them. Right here. Came with a bunch of bolts and brackets. Put them in, then we put the grill on, and then she's good to go. All right, so we got the grill on. I just gotta finish putting the bumper together and putting back on the radiator cover. I ain't gonna lie to you, I actually did have to buy a couple zip ties. I only zip tied one side of the bumper, one side of part of it, because I kind of dropped the bolt and one of the bolts, and it rolled and I couldn't find it. So, and that was actually a pretty important bolt. So, but it's all good. It sticks. It stays up there. Also, couldn't really show you guys the install because I kept swearing too much. And just that apparently the camera was also on the ground by accident too, so failing YouTube channel, by the way. But let's put this bumper back together, get rid of the license plate, and I'll show you guys how it looks all together. I do like how it looks, but I do think it'll look 10 times better with the California Special front bumper. It's literally the 9-bar grill. It does look pretty good. I do like it. I like it a lot, actually. And yeah, I can't wait to get that carbon fiber cowl hood, this whole car repainted, Legend Lime. I think it's gonna look amazing, and I think this build is gonna look really great once it finally comes all together. Even might get 3-piece wheels as well. But yeah, sometimes I get a lot of demotivation for this car, but other times it gives me motivation, and you guys are just the best for all the support. I appreciate y'all watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and as always, I will see all y'all in the next video. Peace out.